Well, the markets dropped for a third straight day. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, January 13th, 2015. Markets started off the day very bullish, crashes back down, and then tries to crawl back from its depths. At the end of the day, the S&P down 0.26%, Dow down a bit, NASDAQ basically break even, small caps in bullish territory. And that's a shock. Everybody was in bullish territory to start off the day. Very, very bullish. I mean, just a screaming big pop first thing this morning. Markets just drifted southbound all day long until the last hour of the day. Markets came charging back with a double bottom trend reversal pattern on the 5-minute chart. Oh, so talking about it, I'll show you right here. Double bottom, W for winner, and then we just shot up. So banks basically break even. VIX up almost 5%, now over 20. Gold down, silver up 2.65%. Nice breakout from that base. We'll look at crude oil up 1.21%. US dollar up 0.3%. Utilities, which is the defensive sector, up 0.3% also. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 daily chart. And we're in dangerous territory. Now, you look here, shoulder, head, shoulder. This is the neckline. Today, we broke the neckline, but came right back up, so it's not confirmed. If we get a red candlestick that closes lower right here, that's going to be a confirmation, trend reversal, head and shoulders. And that should spell disaster. Today, we shot up, breaking a technical resistance area. Everything looked great, but people sold into that. Sold. We came back down, found support at the rising 100-day moving average, and also a minor trend line. If I show you this, this goes back here, October 2014, and it touches right here, January 6, 2015, and that is our support area at this moment. Came down, touched that, and rallied back by day's end. We continue in this tight squeeze, all the moving averages coiling together, coming together, converging, building up, steam, pressure, strength. This is a coil getting tighter and tighter. We are looking for a decisive move, up or down, anybody's guess. If it is down, that will confirm the head and shoulder trend reversal pattern, and that will spell danger for the upcoming weeks. If you look at a weekly chart here, we've been drifting lower and lower and lower. If we break down on the daily chart, this could be a massive next few weeks in red territory. Bad news. So if it pops up here, the area of resistance we're looking at is 2090, 2090 is the area of resistance. We have support that could be 2002, 2001 area right here. If it breaks below that, woe to the markets. If we blow past this 2000, ouch. But we could here, technically, next couple days, still remain inside the apex of this symmetrical triangle. It'd be really interesting to see what tomorrow brings us. It could be the catalyst into a nice move. And looking at the NASDAQ daily chart, it's just caught up in the moving averages, sideways, doing nothing. It's just saying, wow, what's going to happen here if I do a trend line right here? I mean, that's what we're dealing with. You look at the Russell small caps. I'm going to put a line in here also. I mean, we're just getting so tight. Look at the moving averages. Take a quick look at the banks. We just keep drifting lower and lower and lower. It's not good for the markets. The VIX keeps drifting higher. Today, you can see that we got up over a trend line. That trend line, man, if this technically holds up, this thing should break out to the upside. And if that happens, that means the markets are doomed to fail. Gold here We've been busting up. Now we have what's called a bearish thrusting reversal pattern. We'll see if it wants to relax here. Silver, high base breakout, boom, to the upside on big volume. And stalling right here at this area of resistance. Yep, right at it. So that's where we're at. And as far as the stocks of concern, Apple up on a bearish day. We're still fighting this trend line, even though that's up. Google was up almost a full percent today, but still red. Look at all the red Google has seen as of late. Twitter, which I do own, was up 0.71%, going higher. It's looking to stall also. There you have it. Hook up with us. We'll teach you how to trade successfully and help you reach your full potential out there in the live markets.
My name is Eric Gershon. I'm learning from Des and Mark about the trading business, actually. For me, it's really understanding the exact way to do the trend lines. You know, are they shadows? Are they the close of the candle? That was my main question. I really wanted to understand how to make the trend lines the right way. As Des says, you know, he's pulled back the curtain so you can kind of see how the professionals do it, because essentially that's what we are. That's what I want to be. I want to be a professional trader, you know, and I don't want to be an amateur, and I don't want to trade like an amateur. And that is the thing that I'm learning the most here, is how to be professional at this and how to approach it from that point of view. They have far exceeded my expectation. I think, you know, I know Mark for a number of years, and he has been talking to me about doing this for a number of years, and I've watched him trade, and I just want to be, I'll just take a little bit of the way Mark trades, and I'll be a happy camper. Des, I've been watching the videos, and he's everything I thought he was going to be. You know, to the point where I actually talked to him about, you know, managing my retirement account. That's how, and you know, I don't know him that long, but he knows what he's doing. He's the real deal. You know, these are the real guys. I've been to other seminars, and most of these guys just want to, you know, talk while they're trading. You learn almost nothing. You don't learn about the markets. You don't learn about trend lines. You don't learn about moving averages and what's the right, where should you put your stop. I mean, you know, here you're covering it from start to finish, and that is what I really like.